Hello, welcome to the fourth session. In this session, we will learn what is ML.NET. As we have seen in the previous session, various languages are used in the machine learning. Most of users prefer the Java and Python for this. Using the .NET platform, we can build a wide variety of the application, including the desktop, web, cloud, mobile, games, IoT. Microsoft.NET team came up with the idea of ML.NET and big data for artificial intelligence. ML.NET give you ability to add the machine learning in the .NET application. We can use both online as well as the offline scenario. The model is the central of the machine learning. The model specifies the step needs to transport the user data into the prediction. Using the ML.NET, we can create our own custom model. ML.NET officially publicly announced on the build 2019, but Microsoft team internally use it from the year 2002. It was already used by the several Microsoft products before publicly release. Using the AutoML, we can create the model automatically from the set of data. It will automatically choose the algorithm for our dataset. We do not need to worry about the algorithm and its hyperparameter. Microsoft also provides the CLI for model building. So if you love to work from the console, then you can do same thing as a Visual Studio. ML.NET is extensible, so we can use the models created in the TensorFlow, Info.NET, and Onyx model. We'll learn more about this in the later session. If you're a .NET developer, then you can use your existing C# and F# skill to build this model. Like other things in the .NET nowadays, ML.NET is a free, open source, and a cross-platform. ML.NET available on both .NET Core as well as the .NET Framework. For framework, it is available for the 32-bit as well as the 64-bit. But few functionalities like TensorFlow, LightGBM, and Onyx is not available for the 32-bit. Let me open the official site of ML.NET to understand more about it. Write .NET/ML. Here are some of features that we have seen. This is the simple example of creating model and predicting value. We will use the C# throughout this course. Here is a list of examples that we can create with the ML.NET. All of those are available on the GitHub. For example, let me click on the sentiment analysis. Here it will open the GitHub's repo, which contains the sample. We will learn about the almost example by creating it from the scratch throughout this series. Here is a model builder that will automatically create a model based on our dataset. This sample shows the use of the TensorFlow for computer vision. Performance of ML.NET also pretty good compared to the various popular framework and tools. Here is a list of few customers of ML.NET. Obviously, it's launched few years back, so it does not have a long list of third parties, but many Microsoft products use it internally. Outlook, Windows Defender, Windows Hello, Power BI, Azure Machine Learning Studio, Azure Streaming Analysis, and many more. See you in the next session.